Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the stock market show. Okay, so the market is dropping. Let's just get right into it. The market is absolutely dropping. Nvidia, HIMS, Mara stock, Riot stock, bunch of stocks had good earnings, and everything's dropping anyways. I think we're in a bear market, but no one wants to call it that, so I am under the impression we are in a bear market right now, and I am accumulating my favorite stocks real cheap. Okay, CYBL stock. We did get some news today. No, not AITX. So we got an update to the Q&A for transparency's sake. And I want you to keep in mind what I'm about to say before we even go through this is the only time we went down to 002s was CE designation. The one time we broke down below 005s here, buyers are showing up. I don't know if this Q&A is going to give people enough confidence to get enough buyers to push it back up above that 005 level, but the fact that we haven't dropped to 002s, the CE numbers, to put it that way, I think we're sitting pretty here. And I would say I give it a buy, accumulate. My personal, analyst price target. Let me see, what are the ratings anyways? No one gives it a rating. Of course not. It's OTC. Okay, so my personal rating is 1 penny. That's your first sell target, right? Your second sell target would be 1.5, and then 2 cents. That's doable. Let's keep it real. I know a lot of people want, 10x, 100x, whatever. This isn't 2021. So let's keep it real. All right, 1 penny first, then 1.5, and then 2 cents. So sell some on the way up. That's what I'm thinking at least. And this is a buy rating. There you go. If you want a crazy rating, okay, here's Shade's crazy rating. It's a super buy, and it's going to $1 million per share. There, might as well. If you want to hear silliness, might as well, right? $1 million per share, guys. You heard it here first. Okay, CYBL Litigation, February 2025, Q&A. So they have ongoing litigation with Atlantic Wave Holdings, Secure Community LLC, and Brett Rosen. I believe that's what RB Capital Partners is. And, 4 people. Okay, I didn't know that. That was just 3. What is the status of these matters? Okay, Virginia judgment, which has been settled by consensual agreement of the parties in June 2023. Okay, so this is even without proving any breach of the settlement agreement by CYBL was notwithstanding. Okay, so that's still going on. Atlantic Wave has only one remaining case in federal court in California. That case in California is on hold until the court rules on CyberLux's request to dismiss the effort in California in favor of resolution in Virginia. CyberLux views this action to be completely inappropriate and reckless interference in CyberLux business. Requested an emergency hearing and sought to have a receiver appointed by Harris County Court Judge. Look, I'm not even going to pretend like I know what the hell any of this means. So all I'm looking for is does this sound bad? Doesn't sound bad to me. And the smart ones haven't sold off. So I'm assuming there's nothing to be concerned about. That's just me putting 2 and 2 together. Maybe there are no lawyers who trade CYBL stock. That is possible, but I don't see anything to be concerned about. What is the current status of the RB Capital matter? The parties to that matter continue to negotiate towards an agreeable settlement through early neutral evaluation in accordance with applicable California procedures. That's a whole lot of nothing. And, okay, so with Aerotech, the parties in the Aerotech matter are in communication via their respective attorneys. Agreement has been reached not to pursue litigation at this time. Well, as far as I know, a whole lot of nothing, but I'm not going to pretend to know what the hell's going on. What I do know is the reaction to this was neither negative or positive, so I can only assume that we're still sitting good here. We're still under the impression, obviously, that there are 7 significant contracts under negotiation, which would mean we're going to get some PRs that are going to move the share price at some point. Because if we look back in the past, let me show you the past before I go, because some of you have really, don't let the share price fool you, or I should say the share price dropping fool you. Let's go to CYBL STOCK, Yahoo Finance, because I think Weeble wants me to log in. Let's go to the advanced chart. Have not used Yahoo Finance since my moon market days, but yeah, that guy that said we were going to go into an OTC bull run, yeah, that never happened. That was some BS. That's what that was. Okay, so we go back in time before the drop, and you'll notice, let's go here. Let's go to the, no. Wait, what range am I looking at? I need the daily. Okay, so let's go back in time. Ooh, I don't know why this is moving funny. Okay, there we go. So we hit a bottom down here at 1 penny. We got a catalyst that sent it to 2.5. Came back down to a penny, pumped again, and here it pumped again, pumped again, pumped again. So on average, we get like 6 pumps a year when the company is on top of its PRs and communication. We know AITX gets a bunch of pumps every year. So I'm just showing you, if history is going to repeat itself, let's hope it doesn't drop to CE. Let's hope it doesn't repeat that. But I believe there was like a Fox News PR or something like that. CYBL was mentioned in Fox News or something, and it pumped. I remember that. I don't remember which of these pumps it was, but as long as they're communicating and not leaving us in the dark, we're good at this point. And according to Yahoo Finance, we're at 005 right now. I don't know if that's true or not, but there you go. It says we're up by 11% on Yahoo, but Moomoo says only 2.13%. Either way, the fact that the reaction to the price was neutral, I think that's good, right? I imagine if it was bad, if that Q&A was revealed something that was negative, that would actually scare the ones that believe in this or have them sell, I imagine it would have fallen already. Because people are quick to sell. But again, I'm not going to pretend like I know anything about litigations or anything like that. Let me just see what went last time here. I'm still holding. I'm not concerned one bit. I don't know why people get all scared. Let them get scared. Let them sell. And then let them chase. I mean, we're seeing right now in the markets, NVIDIA had good earnings, and it dropped anyways. So, cool. Thank you for selling. Let me buy cheap, right? Might as well. Might as well take advantage of the fear. I'm just curious as to what other people have to say here. No. Okay, so I don't see anything here. Yeah, so my interpretation of it is load the boat. Just buy. I don't know why people get scared when there's literally 7. They've done everything they've done. Everything they've done started with the CEO himself going to Ukraine at the risk of getting bombed. So I'm going to believe them until they show me otherwise, right? And they got us out of CE, and a lot of people made money on that. Yeah, so Aerotech, no litigation, and RB Capital, agreeable settlement. So like I said, it's kind of like I don't think the share price, I don't expect the share price to start moving, but one thing's for sure, there has been no crazy dilution or any of that people were talking about. None of that. The bears are always wrong. Don't listen to the bears. If anything, when the bears are talking a lot, you start buying even more. I think I'll wait a little bit more. I think I'm going to wait another week before I buy in. I think I'm going to start adding more. Because I'm already at, I have 10K at 007s. I think I'll add more. I can add more, but I'm like, trying to be careful not to add here, and then it goes down to 002s or 3s, so I'm going to wait another week. I highly doubt, I mean, if we get a big PR, it's going to skyrocket, right? So if I miss out, I guess, quote-unquote, miss out by not buying here, whatever, I have a position at 007s. If it goes to a penny, I still make my money. So I'm going to wait. If I'm going to average down, it has to be, I'm targeting at least 003s, 002s, like that area. Like low 003s, high 002s. I don't think it'll go down that low, but if it wants to surprise me, I'm all for it.